Hello everyone, this is Rosie from Lvxin Packaging. Today I like to show you a new packaging portrait for body care products. Look at this one. This is made from sugarcane paper with black toner and produced by wet pressing process. So you can see the surface is very smooth and the other side has nice texture. You can see the product fit inserts very perfect because we designed the cavity according to the product shape. Let me assemble the box to show you. You can see it is very perfect to match the outer box. Our packaging insert is biodegradable within 3 months because our material is recyclable and biodegradable. If you are interested in our product and would like to customize your product, you can feel free to contact us. We provide customized survey and free design solution. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.